I'll just tell you, I pushed these birds here to the limit this year by leaving them so long. I was going to say that I'd almost bet that this row here will be bigger and better, but we don't know that, do we? Now these is the ones that was all covered with squash vines. I don't know what they'll be in there. Good worms in here. I want to try to get these done today and get it over with. They're giving pretty cool weather tonight. See, now this row of potato, it was planted after these other two rows over here. Pretty interesting. Pretty tasty too, I like them. We're just finishing up where we left off the other day. Just finishing up. I don't know why I saved them little bitty ones. Person should take them right directly in and fry them. Good and slow. It rained a little bit over the last few days, so it's kindly got the ground loosened up a little. It has. Where the plants is at, most of the time, that's where your taters will be. Just right where your plant comes out of the ground. These didn't get to mature near long enough. They didn't get to stay in the ground. It made big taters if they had of, but they didn't. They didn't get to stay in long enough. And this is the worst ones through here that was covered up with weeds. My fault. They would have made big taters, but they're big enough. I think they're big enough. These is just little old taters. That I'm proud to be getting. Little taties. Yeah, look at that. There's a good one. Decent. They're all decent for as I'm concerned. Whether they're little or whether they're big taters. They're taters. See, this has been a mess. It's been a mess through here, what it's been. Where I didn't get to take care of this stuff properly. Something else, I broke out and didn't I? It's been long, and look at there. It's been a long tater. Well, slow down, Leroy. You're breaking them. That one right there, for some reason, is being a booger. Down in that. There we go. It's worth getting out. Dig them out there, boy. Let's pull that dirt back. Circle them taters. you never know what you'll get. You know, I was expecting more than that out of this one. And, yeah, see, there's one that said, I'm going to go way down there and hide. Maybe he'll overlook me. And you just have to work it out. I don't see it anymore. I sure don't. Let me look good. I think that's it. If there's any more through here now, they'd be vines, wouldn't they? I think they were. But I think that's got them all. Nasty. Muddy. So that, I'm gonna say, is the end of it. And now these two little rows, I might have got a couple bushel. So let's go over and wash these, and we'll set these on the porch. I done took the others in. It's dried down pretty good. I'll wash these off. Let's get that done. We'll go wash them. I'm gonna rinse these before I put them in the sink like I should have done the others. Keeps a lot of the crud out of the basin. And again, we'll do all this the same way. We'll rinse our basket off. Try to pick out any leaves and weeds and sticks and all that good stuff. Just roll them gently. Get her knife rinsed off and cleaned up. Get them as clean as you want them. They don't have to be spotless. What we're wanting is that old dirt and mud off of them. You know, it just rained on these taters yesterday. I mean, it poured on them. Don't take her basket now, set up here, and put her taters back in the basket. And then just give them a rinse. Just for good measure, give them a rinse. It's like I say, it rained on them taters yesterday. It poured on them, rained on them. So that got the sweet potatoes, what few we had, 3 little old short rows. We'll do better on those hopefully next year. I just thought I'd come out here and get that over with today. Just like I said, got another basket. They ain't monsters, but they're sweet potatoes. And that makes about 4, probably 4.5 baskets like this that I got off of those. So I'm gonna say 2 bushel maybe. That's probably more than we'll eat anyway. We need to start eating more stuff like this. I've been trying to eat garlic. I've been trying to at least eat a big clove of garlic every day. They say it's healthy. Done pretty good, didn't end up skinning my thumb today. It's nice out here today too. So get down pretty chilly tonight. Give everybody just a little jump, just a little prick of what's ahead of them. But the trees here, I mean, I can tell that they're starting to yellow up. But far as any colors, I don't see a whole lot right now. They're still green, but there's definitely, you can tell it. Of course, it's that time of year. It's October. Most of the time, years ago, by the last of October, just about every leaf was on the ground. I can see some dogwoods through the woods there that's firing up a little bit. So anyway, sweet potatoes for this year is over. Anyway, this sun's going crazy. I'm gonna get out of here today. We'll call her quits.